In Des Allemands, where warm temperatures and high humidity are part of daily life, proper home ventilation isn't just a comfort, it's a necessity. Homeowners are always looking for practical ways to keep their indoor spaces cool, fresh, and energy efficient. One often overlooked solution is the installation of double-hung windows. These classic window styles offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They play a significant role in improving airflow and overall indoor comfort. Double-hung windows are designed with two operable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom. Unlike traditional single-pane or fixed windows, both sashes can move independently. This unique feature allows homeowners to control airflow in a way that's both simple and highly effective. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their ability to create natural ventilation. By opening both the top and bottom sashes at the same time, warm air inside the home can escape through the top opening while cooler air is drawn in through the bottom. This process, often referred to as thermal air exchange, helps regulate indoor temperatures without relying entirely on air conditioning systems. In a place like Des Allemands, where the climate can feel heavy and stagnant, this kind of airflow makes a noticeable difference. Homes stay fresher, and indoor air doesn't become trapped or stale. This is especially beneficial in kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces where moisture and odors tend to build up quickly. Another customer-friendly benefit of double-hung windows is how easily they adapt to changing weather conditions. On mild days, homeowners can open the windows wide to maximize airflow. When it's particularly hot or humid, they can partially open one or both sashes to maintain a controlled breeze without letting in excessive heat. This flexibility allows for better comfort throughout the day and across different seasons. For families concerned about safety, double-hung windows offer an added advantage. You can open the top sash while keeping the bottom sash closed, which allows fresh air to circulate while reducing the risk for small children or pets. This makes them a practical choice for households that want both ventilation and peace of mind. Energy efficiency is another reason many Des Allemands homeowners are choosing double-hung windows. Improved airflow means less reliance on HVAC systems, which can lead to lower energy bills over time. When fresh air is allowed to move naturally through the home, air conditioners don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. Over time, this can result in noticeable savings and reduced wear on cooling systems. Maintenance is also straightforward. Most modern double-hung windows are designed with tilt-in sashes, making them easy to clean from inside the home. This is particularly convenient in multi-story properties, where exterior window cleaning can otherwise be difficult and time-consuming. Clean windows not only look better but also allow more natural light to enter, enhancing the overall feel of the space. From a design perspective, double-hung windows complement a wide range of architectural styles commonly found in Des Allemands. Whether your home has a traditional or more modern look, these windows blend seamlessly while adding functionality. Their timeless design ensures they remain a valuable feature for years to come. Ultimately, double-hung windows provide a smart, customer-focused solution for improving ventilation in Des Allemands properties. They offer better airflow, increased comfort, energy savings, and ease of use, all in one versatile design. For homeowners looking to enhance their living environment without major renovations, upgrading to double-hung windows is a simple yet impactful step toward a cooler, fresher, and more comfortable home.